In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take apart a 2100 series ball knob entry. You start by putting the key into the lock. You're going to want to do a quarter turn towards the hole on the neck. Then take the tool and poke that with the ball knob coming off. Then you are going to take the tool, pry inside till that ring comes off. Then you take the cylinder out. To put it back together, put your cylinder down in again with the tailpiece sticking up. Put that ring back on. Slide that with the groove lining up there. Push it down. Put your key in, turn it again, that quarter turn towards the hole. Push it back on, click it, and you should be seeing the button pushing in and out. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to rekey any one of our locks using the TEL rekeying kit. With the key pulled out just a little, you're going to take the proper cap removal tool and slide it on. Turn it counterclockwise till the tailpiece and the cap come off. Take the back pin and spring out. Put your key all the way in. Do a quarter turn so that this top piece is now pointing away from you. Take your follower with the blunt end. Slide it through. Take the pins that are in there, take them out, and with the key number on the key that you're rekeying it to, follow that with the matching bottom pins in your pinning kit. And when you're rekeying, you're going to want to take the pin. The pin has a pointed end and a flat end. You want the pointed end down in the cylinder with the flat up. With all your proper pins in, you should see that they all are level. Once you have all the proper pins back in, take your follower with that top facing away from you and the top of your cylinder facing up, slide it back through, and your cylinder should work. Pop your key out just a little bit again, put your spring and back pin back in, put your cap back on. All of our levers, the tailpiece should be running parallel with the top of the cylinder. All of our ball knobs, it runs perpendicular with the top of the cylinder. And you're going to want to turn this clockwise till it stops and do about a quarter turn back. Make sure the pin in the back clicks into one of the spots to lock it in.